Good evening, I'm Cindy Sexton.
And I'm David Carroll. Benjamin Brewer's former employer, Cool Runnings Express Incorporated, has filed for bankruptcy.
Brewer was working for the trucking company in 2015 when he caused a crash that killed 6 people and hurt several others. The company owes more than $300 million in lawsuits. As our Tanisha Cordell explains, the company may not be able to pay up.
That's right, Cindy. The more than $300 million that Cool Runnings owes is from lawsuits, as you mentioned, filed by the estates of those killed and hurt in the crash. But documents show the company only has a little more than $100,000 in the bank.
Last year, Benjamin Brewer was on trial. Eyewitnesses, including Tina Close, testified, recalling the day Brewer caused a wreck on I-75.
There was a semi coming behind us in our lane, very fast.
6 people died. Close, her husband, and their 2 young children were among those injured while waiting in traffic. The family filed a lawsuit last year following Brewer's sentencing. Their attorney, Danny Ellis, says they were set to go to trial next month, but the trial was placed under an automatic stay. In other words, it was put on hold, thanks to a bankruptcy filing by Brewer's former employer, Cool Runnings Express Incorporated.
I warned the Close family, and then when I told them, hey, they filed it, it was, well, that's what we thought was going to happen. I feel pretty confident we'll get it lifted.
The company filed paperwork on October 1st. The owner, Billy Ray Sizemore, noted having owed more than $300 million in claims from lawsuits. Documents show $3.5 million is owed to the Close family.
They're saying definitely this is a liability that's out there hanging over our heads.
Since Cool Runnings bankruptcy was filed in Kentucky, Ellis says it's up to a judge there to give them permission to move forward with their case.
All the different parties that have filed suit against Cool Runnings will approach the court and say, we understand that they filed bankruptcy, there's this insurance coverage in place, we will proceed against that. Also, if there are any assets left over, we're making a claim against those as well. One more hoop that we go through to get to that final day.
Well, it's not clear when a decision will be made. Ellis there says they hope to face a judge in Kentucky soon. For now, live reporting in the studio, Tanisha Cordell, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.
Tanisha, thank you. Benjamin Brewer was sentenced to 55 years in prison for his role in the crash. His attorney asked for a new trial, but a judge denied that request earlier this year. He is serving the time without the possibility of parole.
We're hearing from a woman who was on the scene moments after a deadly crash in Murray County. It happened 2 nights ago in Chatsworth, resulting in the death of a 2-year-old.